Finished cooking the dinuguan and we're off to ride now. Haven't seen this bad boy for a while now. Ooh, 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 ooh. What is up, guys? And I am back on a two-wheeler. I haven't done a motor vlog for so long, but I am happy, guys. I am happy I'm back. She's dirty, hasn't had a change oil for about a year or so, hasn't had a service for a year or so, but yeah, I'm just stoked. This feels so surreal. I miss the boys. I miss the fast boys and everyone in Pinoy Riders UK. Anyway, are we recording? Yeah, there we are. So, I'm gonna head off to the hospital later on to pick up the boss. But in the meantime, since she's gonna be out at 7, I am gonna ride around. So yeah, come and join me, guys. Let's go, and welcome back to my channel, AvenueBoy Vlogs. Oh my god, she is alive. She is alive. Alive. Yeah. Yes, sir. Wow. I'm surprised I still remember the controls. Now let me turn on my Spotify first. Right. Look left, look right, and my armpits are sweating, bro. Am I nervous? Am I really nervous? It's been a long time. Hey. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Yes, sir. I love it, baby. Mate, let us go. Anywhere, any place. Let's close the visor and speed away. Yes, sir. I'm back. AvenueBoy Vlogs, motovlogs is back. Woo, 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 woo. Ho! Where are we going? Where are we going? We're going to the back roads, baby. Back roads. Da 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 da. Ah, man, I'm shooting at 2K, 120 FPS. The angle is gonna be a little bit weird. It's gonna be a little bit wide, like fish eye. Oh, damn! Almost missed my turn there. Anyway. Didn't recognize they've torn down that building, but yeah, I'm happy. Anyway, guys, I'm just gonna pull over and stop my music just so that I can enjoy the ride. We're back. Let's go. Gulatcano, peekaboo, Gulatcano. So this is the back roads that is gonna lead us to the hospital, but it's too early, so I'm just gonna ride around, guys, and I'm not gonna record everything because it's gonna be boring. But and one thing else, that is one more thing, my GoPro battery doesn't last that long anymore. I don't know why, but yeah, it's been what, 3 years. So yeah, there we are. I mean, that's the answer. So these are the back roads going to the hospital. It's shit, there's like a lot of bumps here and uneven road surface, but somebody's following me. No pressure, no pressure, no pressure. It is so dark. My voice is so dark. Maybe I don't remember how to, like, yeehaw, yeehaw. We're gonna send it, guys. We're gonna send it. We're gonna send it. We are sending it. Oh, that's just 60. That was just 60. It felt fast on a narrow country lane, but it was just 60. Whoa, 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 whoa. Yes, sir. I love this shit. I love this shit. I love it. I love it. I love it, love it, love, love it. 30 miles. Yeah, anyway, these are the back roads leading to the hospital. If you're having your driving test here in Red Hill, this is, I mean, one of the routes when you're having your driving test here in Red Hill. You're gonna come out of the exam center and you'll be turning this way. Make sure you're doing 30. Well, that's if you're having the test. And watch out for the signs, reduce the speed. You've got, anyway, I don't care about that. I've got a license. Let's go. One hand, bang bang, gangster. Oh, let's go to the hospital. Let's go around the hospital and see what's going on. Like, we're coming from the back of the hospital, and this is that was a Carla. That was Nicole, my boss. That was my ward manager. Damn, it's 6 o'clock, so yeah, it's normal for them to be out. Oh damn, oh damn, I'm gonna practice my I have to practice my corners again, guys. Let's see, I'll record in a little bit and I'll see you guys later. So we have arrived at the main entrance of the hospital, but it's it's just 6 o'clock, and there's 1 more hour for that's the hospital. So 1 more hour before my boss comes out. So the question is, like, do we just ride around and until 7 o'clock and come back, or do we wait here until 7 o'clock? Decisions, decisions, decisions. Anyway, she doesn't know that I'm picking her up on the motorbike today. Like, look at this, guys. I've dropped her helmet like a year ago. Look at that. It's so scratched. I know you're not supposed to use it again, but hey, I don't have any more helmets. But yeah, I dropped this helmet while it was on this bike, and it just like rolled around on the center of the road, like in the middle of the road, and the cars behind me had to stop. It was an embarrassing moment, but hey, it happens. Anyway, I guess I'm gonna ride away and come back at 7, so let's go.